Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put half-page word color. Open your Word document. When you do, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes and choose the line. Now draw this line on the sheet. When finished, from the Shape Format menu, display the option Align and select Align Middle. The line will be in the middle of the sheet. After this, again from Insert, click on Shapes, and this time click on the rectangle. Adjust this shape in the middle of the sheet that will carry the color. There, from the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Fill and you can choose the desired color. After this, click on Shape Outline and choose the option No Outline. Now in the option Wrap Text, click on Behind Text. You can write in the part of the document where you change the color. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.